if you want to remove memory card on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we're gonna need to eject the SIM tray by using the eject tool that we have inside the box. I have mine over here. It looks a little bit different, but it does the job anyway. Now over here we have this hole of the SIM tray, so we need to insert this tool inside the hole and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. So once it pops out slightly, you can use your fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray. There we go. And of course, over here we have our memory card. In order to remove it, you can try to grab by one of these sides over here. So as you can see, we have a little bit of space in order to use our fingernails in order to try to remove the memory card. And that's it. After that, of course, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. So let's place it back in with our finger, just push it in, and there we go. Make sure that it doesn't stick out, the SIM tray doesn't stick out or anything. It should be fully inserted into the phone. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.